Welcome back to Digital Signal Processing Lab Experiments. Now let us discuss about design of FIR filter using windowing techniques. This comes under experiment 10. Let us see some theory related to design of FIR filters. So coming to the FIR filter, the aim of this experiment is to design the FIR filters using windowing techniques for a given specifications. A FIR filter is a discrete linear time invariant system whose output is based on the weighted sum of the finite number of past inputs. So this can be also discussed as a FIR transfer filter structure and can be obtained by discrete convolution formula. Y of n is equal to k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 h of k into h of n minus k, where x of k and y of k represents the input to the output 2 and output from the filter at a time n. H of n minus k is transversal filter coefficient at time n. Types of windows we have are rectangular, Bartlett, Hamming, Hanning, Blackman window. So for our experiment, we are considering rectangular window, triangular window, and Kaiser window. So let us start the MATLAB program for this windowing techniques. Yes. So we plan this experiment for three types of windows: rectangular window with low pass filter, triangular window with low pass filter, and Kaiser window. So these are the three windows considered. Similar to that of IIR and Butterworth, we have specifications like ripple passband ripples, stop band ripples, passband frequency, stop band frequency, and sampling frequency. The specifications are for passband ripple 0.6, stop band 0.5. For passband frequency 100 and stop band frequency is 1500. Sampling frequency we consider 8000, and we have omega p will be 2 pi 2 into passband frequency by f. Similarly, we have omega s is equal to 2 into sampling frequency by f. So to find the numerator value to or the order, we get numerator is equal to minus 20 log 10 square root of rp into rs minus 13. So based upon this formula, we get numerator value, denominator value will be given 14.6 into fs minus fp divided by f. So to get the order a integer value, we are going to seal numerator by denominator, and we have 0 to n for, but we consider both sides. For that we are considering n1 is equal to n plus 1. For rectangular window, the MATLAB command is rectwin, R-E-C-T win. So to get a rectangular window samples, y will be given as RECT rect win win of n1 samples. So this command is very important. This will be useful for generating or designing rectangular window. So as we are designing FIR filter of so we will place n comma omega p low for to find the magnitude. We go for magnitude of log of x1 values, and angle of x1. So this one we can plot the magnitude response of the FIR filter by taking magnitude and plot y1 by pi means pi value for normalization we are using. and x-axis will be normalized frequency and y-axis will be in gain in dB. At the same time, we are going to find phase angle also, so we will get phase response of FIR filter. Let us run the program and see what will be the result. So this program is for rectangular window based linear passband frequency, and this will be the result: magnitude response of FIR filter. This is response we get when we are using rectangular window for getting the values. And coming to the triangular window, the same procedure will be followed, but RP and RS values will be changed, and RP and the cutoff frequency, sampling passband frequency is 1500 and stop by is 2000. Sampling frequency is 7000. Like that, we have a triangular window. Y is equal to triang, TRINANG. This is the MATLAB command we have n for n1 values. So we will design the same for filter 1, n comma omega p low pass of y. So from this we are going to plot the response magnitude of x1 and phase y1, and to get the magnitude response in terms of module, we are going to get 20 log absolute value of x1 and angle of x1. From that we are going to get magnitude response of FIR filter. This filter is based using triangular window, right? At the same time, phase response also we are going to consider. Finally, the last window we will see is Kaiser window, low pass filter. Here also specifications are there, and the same procedure whatever we use for Kaiser window, whatever we use for rectangular window, triangular window, here also same. The change here is we have to define the function. In MATLAB, Kaiser window can be designed like this: y is equal to KAISER, Kaiser of n1. That is the window we have to place, and all other things are almost same. So from that window we are going to get the magnitude and phase response. Finally we are going to plot the responses of Kaiser, response of FIR filter by using Kaiser window. Let me show the triangular window response, and this is the triangular window base FIR filter. When we are designing FIR filter based on the triangular window, so this is the low pass filter. We have this magnitude spectrum or magnitude, and down one is space spectrum. Like that, if we want to run the program for last module, so some error is there. Let us check that error. It is asking some case sensitive. We have given capital letter for Kaiser, and it is unable to identify. This command we will see what will be the so let us see. So in before while we are executing, I have copied from this part to execute, so it is showing error. We have to select the whole part from this one, then we can run. We are going to get this response. So this is the magnitude response of FIR filter, phase response of FIR filter when we use Kaiser window. So this is what for uh, FIR FIR filter response for different types of windowing techniques. Thank you.